Hi, I'm Rossi. Welcome to Pedego Electric Bikes in beautiful Amelia Island, Florida. My family and I love cycling and spending time outdoors. And Amelia Island has so many places to explore and such an expansive network of bike trails. This has made opening the Pedego store on the island this year so much fun.
Go Pedego Amelia!
At Pedego, exceeding our customers' expectations is top priority. We are best known for our 5-year warranty and in-house servicing department. We will help you find the perfect electric bike to fit your needs, and you can try as many models as you'd like. We have a fleet of 15 brand new and well-maintained Pedego electric bikes that we rent out and provide tours on. Our most popular guided tour runs from our store in the Harris Teeter Shopping Center along a designated bike path all the way to Big Talbot Island. My favorite part about having the Pedego store on the island is seeing customers when they return from their first ride. The bikes are just so much fun and there's so much to explore here on the island. You can just see the excitement all over their faces.